What are the best ways to lower TACOS while continuing to grow sales? The way how we would look at TACOS is a non-advertising metric. I know that many brands are considering that TACOS is an advertising metric. It is not. So when it comes down to TACOS, then we would look into everything that is not advertising related. Specifically, every element of your listing, your inventory, every element of the way how you're shipping. Clear example. So when it comes down to this remote control, maybe my listing is for this remote control. Now, my listing, can I make it convert quicker? Then that is going to be a best way for me to lower my TACOS rather than just cut my ads. Why? It's because my ads might be on an expensive side, which okay, that can happen, especially in beauty, supplements categories, and even food categories. But now that I acknowledge that, and now that I worked on the PPC and the TACOS, it's still going to depend on the listing itself. So I would look into, did a good job compared to my competitors to make sure that my product has all the details one would need in order to convert, make a purchase, right? If yes, great. If not, what I would be doing, let's make sure that is improved. Second thing is pricing. If you're selling a $50 product, everyone in your niche, your competitors are selling it for $20. Honestly, that's a hard way for you to convert just because you are going to get clicks but no conversions, right? Third thing, are you shipping FBA? Are you shipping FBM? Are you fulfilling it yourself, right? Because that is also going to be a trigger of how quickly, once that someone clicked within my listing, do they consider to buy my product right away and they have to wait 5 days, or do they can get the same product the same day, especially when a warehouse is nearby them, right? So those are going to be first the non-PPC questions that are going to impact TACOS. I would be looking into it. One that really many brands that I'm talking to, actually they are missing is, hey, what is your most profitable product? Can we generate more spend towards that product? Do we have inventory for that product? Can we redirect success towards that product? And this is something that especially brands who have larger amount of catalogs are going to face. And that is a really good way also to lower TACOS while growing your sales. What I would do advise in any of these cases, whatever you would test only one thing at once, again, from experience, and again, being pushed by, hey, I want to test 10 things at once and I'm going to test them. You know, what is going to happen, or what you surely don't want to get to, is getting mixed data and not knowing what actually worked and how it works. So I would advise you always test only one thing at a time.